Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will learn lesson number 8, tools used in Photoshop CS3. In this lesson, we will learn about retouching tools which are used to edit an image. You will also learn about layers and filters that helps you work with image in a better way. Now first one is retouching tools. The retouching tools helps to change or edit the pixels arrangement in an image. These tools can be used on an entire image. Some of these are the sports healing brush tool, patch tool, red eye tool, clone stamp tool, eraser tools, smudge tools, dodge tools, burn tools and the sponge tools. Now first one is sport healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tools can remove blemishes, scars, spots, and other imperfection in your photograph. You can simply click and drag the mouse pointer across the affected area and the flow disappears. The steps to use the spot healing brush tools are: first one, to open the image, select spot healing brush tool from the tools panel. Specify the following in the option bar. Here given the options bar, here you can select options as per your requirement. So first one is brush size. You can also set brush size as per your requirement. Then type, choose from proximity match or create a texture. Here given the option, see in the figure, you can select as per your requirement. Then sample all layers. Select to sample data from all visible layers. Deselect this option to sample data from the active layer only. Now fourth one, click the area you want to fix and click and drag to remove the flows. Now healing brush tool. Healing brush tool is used to print with sample pixel from an image. The sample is called source. The flow area is called the destination. This tool also matches the texture, lightening, transparency and the shading of the sample pixels. The steps to use the healing brush tools are, so first one is open the image, select the healing brush tool from the sports healing tool menu, then specify the following in the option bar. Brush size and brush mode, this is the option of the healing brush tool. Then type of source, choose sample to use the pixels from current image. Choose pattern to use the pattern from the pattern picker drop down palette. Align, select the sample pixel continuously without losing the current sample point even if you release the mouse button. Deselect this option if you want to continue using the sample pixel from the initial sampling point each time you stop and resume. Now sample all layers. Click to sample data from all visible layers. Now number 4, place the pointer on the image area to select the sample color. Press Alt and click the mouse button to select the sample. Now 5th one is click and drag in the image. Now next one is clone stamp tool. The clone stamp tool can clone or duplicate selected area of an image. The steps to use the tools are, see, to open the image, click on the clone stamp tool in the tools panel, then hold down the Alt key, click the part of the image you want to clone and release the Alt key. Now fourth step is click and drag the mouse over the area where you want to place the clone pixels. Now here given the figure about it. First you select the image flower, then by using clone tool you can create a duplication of your image. So in this way we can use clone stamp tool. Now pattern stamp tool. The pattern stamp tool clone from a predefined area of a pixel such as a pattern. You first define a pattern and then clone it. The steps to use the tools are, open an image and select the area you want to define as the pattern. Number 2, select the edit define a pattern. The pattern name dialog box appear. Here given the figure about it. First of all you generate your pattern, then you can also save it with the proper name in Photoshop, and whenever you need your pattern in an image, you can just open and select it and set in your image. So in this way we can use the pattern. Now the type pattern name and click OK. Open the image where you want to apply the pattern. Select the pattern stamp tool in the tools panel. Select the align checkbox in the option bar. This will maintain the pattern continue with the original start point. Even if you release the mouse button and then continue painting, then deselecting the align option will restart the pattern each time you stop and start painting. Now number 7, open the pattern picker palette. Then place the mouse pointer on the image and drag it over the part you want to fill with the pattern. The pattern will be duplicated on the image or on your blank canvas. In this way we can use the pattern.